Hello guys, this is Baby here. Today we're opening sparkly critters and
unicorn. Yeah, unicorn
and
brush.
mystery
Slime surprise.
So I hope you guys give a big thumbs up. Enjoy this video.
Ooh, let's see who we get this time. That one's new. It's our first one, guys.
Oh,
Right, Maya?
Yeah. Oh, that's not
Right.
hard. I need my
Is it hard?
scissors. So you guys, I actually opened it up and yeah. Oh, golden surprises.
Ooh, it says find the gold slime.
Okay, I'm kind of gonna. Can someone pass me my scissors?
Here. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, I kind of got my scissors.
Ooh.
Wait, it's already open. You haven't placed it. Oh, that's a cute little hamster.
Is it? Wow, it's so cute. That's cute. What do you guys think about it?
This is the bottle.
Wow.
Oh yeah, my scissors. Okay, I actually opened it up. It's gonna come.
Yeah, you have to put a little bit more on the bottom. Yeah, go for it.
Oh, the bottle's so cute.
Fanta, look at that, guys.
And I like the gray straw, it's so sparkly. Put it here so you guys can see them.
The instructions.
Oh, is this a slime?
Let's see what it is. What does it say? It says unicorn bling. Let's see. What is it? Mess it up. Ooh, go.
Oh, guys. Like, there's a sparkly thing. I don't know what it
You
is.
have to be very careful with it. Very careful. Wow.
So sparkly. Some got in my hand.
It is?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Look, guys. Wow.
I have some on my hand.
Look. Wow, that's so pretty.
Wow, this is magical.
It is.
Okay, I'm gonna do, I don't know.
I think that's all for that one. We already got a surprise.
I wanted the mermaid one.
We'll
That
see.
kind of-
Hopefully we get it.
Yeah, that kind of looks like Ariel, which that is Ariel. So guys, I like the colors of these, and I'm gonna put all of them back. And the next video, I'm gonna do the slime.
So cool.
Oh, the bottle can't fit.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, I think I'm.
There you go.
Put it somewhere. Yeah, I think
All
I
right.
put it on top.
Ooh, be careful with that.
I don't like it. Where's the top?
It's right there. It's right there in front of you. It's in front of it. All right, let's move on to the next one.
So I'm gonna use sparkly colors.
Let's see who we get.
So you guys, I am actually excited to open this because they're
Those are new, right?
Yeah.
Those are new critters.
Yeah.
Ooh, I wonder what or who we're gonna get this time.
Yeah.
So this is a new collection, huh?
Yeah.
That's so cool. We did it.
I'm gonna show my collection. So as you see over there,
Yeah, you see, those are all the ones we have. Right, Maya?
yeah. And my favorite one is the tiger and the bear. So you guys, that's all of my collections that I have. And we're gonna get more collections. Oh gosh.
They're so cute. We like them a lot.
Yeah. Okay, gotta cut this part.
Is there still more?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
try opening it. Let's see. You need some help?
Oh, no.
You got it?
Yeah.
All done.
So you guys, I have opened it. Wow. We have the stuff. We have the stuff for the slime. I love it.
Does it say? That says Unicorn Magic and Unicorn Shimmer. Ooh, it's purple.
Wait! I don't know who I'm getting.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Did you guys know that purple Poopsie? The purple one with the sparkly. What is this?
You think you're gonna get? What is it though?
I don't know, but I didn't.
What kind of critter? That's my
think-
question.
I think this is the mermaid one.
I hope so.
Yeah. I'm just opening it right now. Whoa!
Ooh,
Yeah, I'm
pull it
gonna.
out. What is it?
Oh!
Oh, it's a cute little soda. What is it? Does it say? Let me see. Guava.
Oh!
It says, oh, cicada dry. Woo!
Okay.
Coca berry.
Here we go.
Is it taped in there?
There, I got all it out. The checklist.
No, checklist is still in there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe that's the package to make the slime, don't you think?
Yeah. Okay, I still need to cut it forward. Oh, okay, I see it. I see my little cut part. There's a little sparkle light. Oh, never mind.
Were you able to get it? What is it?
That's the spoon and the little slime packages.
Oh, nice.
And the storage and stuff. Oh, the green little thing.
Yeah, the little storage bag.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Let's take it out so you guys can see it.
Let's see. Probably the same spoons as the other one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
So you guys can see there's a cute little burrito.
It's lazy.
Aww.
That's cute. That's so we can store in the slime, guys.
Yeah.
And the spoon, is it the same spoon?
Yeah. We have the checklist.
Ooh.
And we have another one left. Oh, this
Oh my
is the big reveal.
Let's see who we get.
I hope so. There's purple.
Oh my goodness, she is cute.
What does it look like?
You're gonna love it.
You guys.
Oh yeah. You can-
You guys, we got a cute little lion.
Ooh, nice. You got a rare one.
Where? Rare one?
Yeah. He's from the Junk Foodie Duties, and his name is King.
King?
Like the Lion King.
Yeah.
That's so It's so
cute.
pretty.
So as you guys can see, I like his hair. It's kind of wiggly.
It's kind of wiggly.
Yeah. I like he's
the
like
little unicorn they have on the top.
Yeah. Wait, are lions supposed to have unicorns?
All of them. Yeah, all of them have little unicorns. Well, I mean, all the sparkly critters.
I like his hands. He has the same color. I like his little sword thingy. I like his little pacifier. I like his eyes because they're green.
They're so pretty.
And I like his like swirly hair here back. And I like his ears, so cute and stuff. So you guys, that's all we got. So like I like this one because
I like the colors. I like those bright colors.
because this says something I do not know. But yeah, we have the storage. It's kind of beautiful because it's like light green and it's like dark green on the bottom. You can actually see my shadow. You can see it. So guys, let's do on the next one.
See that one?
This one, oh yeah, I need to put everything back. So you guys, we're opening the Poopsie Crush, and I'll show you the instructions. And you need to have a big bowl of water, and then you need to have a dry bowl with dry water.
So you mix it all together.
Yeah, and then you like put it in the cold water, and then you put it in the empty bucket. So let's just open it up. I hope you guys are doing this video. Woo! Gotta crack it open. As you guys can see, I got it out. Wait, there's something under here.
What is it?
It's like a surprise.
Oh, a package.
Wait, they feel so weird. They feel like jail.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
This is a sign, right?
They are gel. Wow, that is cool.
I need to cut this. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this part. I can cut it.
You could just rip it, can't you? Perfect. That's pretty cool. Like over here in the corner. Wow.
This pink.
It's so
Wait.
pretty.
This is actually a little storage book. As you guys can see, that has the signs that you can like put together, and then like you can start something. I think we kind of open it up in that. In the next video, I'm gonna have to dip it in water, dry it, and crunch it, and then put this.
Nice.
So,
And we'll
yeah.
have our slime.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.